Hello, as a cloud engineer, you have a new team member that have on-premise, knowledge of provisioning infrastructure, but the person does not have a, understanding of provisioning infrastructure in the cloud. However, you want this new team member to, to come on speed, to learn, right? So what can you do? You can create a new user, right, and assign a policy to that user, right? A just a like a viewer policy such that the person can just view resources, but the person cannot change configurations. So let's just do that. So now you need to ensure that you're in the right project. So I'm currently in my first project. Then I'm just going to go to IAM, right? IAM and admin. And I'll come up here to IAM. And now currently, this is the user, right, that we are on now of eshegun24@gmail.com. You can see it to the up here to the right up. You see account. You see that of Eshegun. Let me just click on that. You see it. You see it here of eshegun24@gmail.com. So I'm going to grant. Basically, I want to create a new user, right? It's called like a principal. So I'll click on grant access, and then I'm going to put the email address of the new user, right? And it has to be associated with Google, right? So I'm going to put the email address of the new user, this. I'm just going to put this. Okay, let me click here. And then I will assign a role. And the role I want to assign here is viewer role. Viewer role. So that's the role I want to assign. Viewer. So because I just want the person to just be able to view. So I'm just going to click on save. Okay, so now as you can see now, we have the new principal. And the role is just viewer role. So let's test if this viewer can actually create resources or not. So I'm going to switch account. I'm just going to come here. I'll click on this. This is the new user, right? I'll click on it that we just created. I'll click on it. And now I'm currently on the new user. So I'm just going to say, let's say, for example, this new user wants to create a virtual machine. Let's see if the new user have the permission to do that. So I'll come here, then I'll click on all products, and I'll come to compute. So I'll click on compute engine. And now you can, if I come here now, you look at create instance, you see that is not highlighted. And look at what he said. He said you need permission for this action. See that? The user can just view resources, but it cannot create, right? It cannot create. So that's how you can do it. I hope this helps. Thank you.